Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy 4 ingredients peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then into a medium or large bowl, add in the sugar, peanut butter, and egg, and mix them until they're combined. You can easily mix this by hand if you like. Then add in the chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet or milk, and mix them in until they're evenly combined. Scoop the dough onto an ungreased sheet pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches apart. Smooth them out and flatten them down. They're not going to spread much at all when they bake. You can even make a crisscross indent on top using a fork, just like all peanut butter cookies have. And bake them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until they're lightly browned. Then remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make easy 4 ingredients peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.